What's up YouTube? Today I'm super excited. Finally, I got my DJI RS4 Mini Gimbal and I'm gonna unbox it in this video and I'm gonna show you everything about this amazing hype gimbal. Let's go! This is my first gimbal, so I'm really excited. I'm at the same time a little bit worried because I know calibrating the gimbal for the first time can be a little bit difficult. So I'm very interested how fast I will learn this. Let's see. Okay, so the first box is empty, as you can see. And the second box, okay, I guess this is the arm for the DJI. Let's see, this side arm, yes. See, this is the arm that you will use it for the gimbal. And as you know, this is only coming with the combo version of this amazing gimbal. So if you bought, make sure you are getting the combo version because this is a different number one. And more metal scoops. And I got I guess it's a USB charger. Yes, it's a Type-C USB charger. The platform of the gimbal, or the main hand or the tripod of the gimbal, as you can see. And next, this is where the attachment of the camera, I guess. Okay. And okay. This is something big. This is something important. This is the tracker or the intelligent tracker of the DJI. This is also coming only in the combo version of this gimbal. So if you got the combo version, you will get this intelligent DJI that we will see later what it can do and what kind of benefit it can do. And another Type-C. And another Type-C, but L shape. Last but not least, and one more piece of metal for the gimbal that I guess this is for the camera or for the smartphone. Okay, we will see later. We will check all these pieces and we will see later what we will do with it. Okay, so this basically came from this box. The warranty and how to use is here. So basically this box is finished. And now for the gimbal. Okay. Yes, as you can see, the box is empty now. So yeah, basically that's it. If you can see, this is the combo version. You have to see the word combo version. Okay. Remove before using. I'm not gonna remove it soon. I wanna just observe it and the smell of technology. I am that geek, really. Okay, first impression, very light, very feeling right in my hand. I don't know how to explain this, but it feels really nice. I can feel like I'm a samurai and moving really good. Now we're gonna put the platform. Okay. And I want to attach this hand to the gimbal, but I have no idea. Okay, so from this you have to open it, and then it will make it easy to rotate it how much you want, you see? Yes. Okay, and I'm gonna put it, for example, here, and I'm gonna close it. Okay, now I need to attach it here. See, it's coming somewhere here. I guess it's from down till up. Let me see, let me check. No, it's not here. Okay, wait, let me open it. Okay, if we close now, yes, it's here. You see? This is very comfortable to hold like this, because if you hold with the time, you will be a little bit tired. Your arm, your hand, your back, your neck, but really this hand makes it really super comfortable, and it really makes sense to hold it like this, even if you want to take like a down shot or something up. It's really nice. I like it. Okay, now I'm gonna try to put this on the gimbal. تمام اوكي طيب تمام اوكي طيب okay. So in order to put this piece on the gimbal, the first we have to open this arm like that, okay, and the second is you have to push from up till down, like from up till down, and at the same time I have to push this button here. So I put it. Oh, sorry, it's the opposite. Sorry, it's the opposite, like that. And yes. Yes, now it looks fine. As I told you, I will need a little bit of time until I get used to all these pieces. Okay, so the platform or the tripod of the gimbal, we attached it. The second one, we attached the arm from here, okay, and we closed it. The third one, we attached this piece, okay, because later we're gonna put the camera on the gimbal. But to put the camera on the gimbal, we need to attach this piece under the camera, and when we do this, we're gonna use this piece like that, and we're just gonna slide it here. Yes, here, okay, as you can see, and the camera will be here. Unfortunately, I'm using the camera now to make this video, but basically with this piece the camera will be already on the gimbal. So basically this video is gonna be only about the unboxing, and we saw what's going on and what the box have. And again, I'm gonna say to you that this DJI is the combo version. So the combo version, again, it comes with this arm, okay, and it comes with the intelligent tracker. This small camera, it's the intelligent tracker that you can put on the gimbal here. Okay, and we're gonna talk about it later in another video. Okay, you see, it has some really interesting feature, but unfortunately not in this video. This video is only about the unboxing. I hope you like it. I hope you get some information that you're looking for. If you have any question about this gimbal, please feel free to write in the comment section, and I will write the answer for you. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a nice comment. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.